Hey, come here. Guess who got a bath? It's little Miss. Oh, making some biscuits. Yeah. We're still drying her off. And making sure she's going to be all nice and warm. Yes. What you thinking, little Miss? Oh, you're going to help? Yeah. You smell good. You do. Yeah. All of that purrings. Yeah. Get you all clean for your mama. She gonna come and get you tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, get that arms. They need it. Yes. You love me even though I just gave you a bath. Yes, Flufferbutts. Yeah. Come here. Hey, come here. Yes, that's the girl. Oh, where you going? You gonna go headbutt the camera? Yes? That your plan? Is that your plan, little man? Oop, where you going? You can be over here. That's where you can be. Oh, but, elevator butt. Elevator butt. Can I rub your belly? I can. I can rub your belly. Oh, your little round belly too. Oh, oh, down we go. Belly, belly, belly. Rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. Is that nice? Is that nice belly rubbing? Yeah? Oh. Back up we go. Meow. Where you going? That's the camera. Oh, love all over it. Meow. It's my hand holding the camera. Yes. You're a good little miss. Yeah. That's her.